So let me break that bubble for you. Travel vlogging is a job. And before you bash me up or troll me for it, hear me out. Here are 3 reasons why. You are your own boss. You're like an entrepreneur who's managing everything with travel vlogging, and the kind of content that you see on YouTube these days, which is so professional, so cinematic, so like filmy, it needs a team behind it to manage it. So you have like team of editors, you have script writer, you have SEO manager, you have somebody else to do something else. So usually the content creators have a team of about 4-5 people or sometimes 6-7 people, but to manage them you have to be present and manage them. So you're acting as an entrepreneur on a salary, which could be very erratic. Now coming to second reason, how many of you think it's a fun activity and nothing else? It's like saying that the pilots are flying the plane and traveling the world. They're just traveling the world and doing nothing else, but they actually not just traveling the world, they are piloting the plane. Similarly, the air hostesses are not just traveling the world, they are serving the people in the planes. Similarly, the war correspondents are not just blabbing in front of the weapons and the guns in the back of them and looking cinematic. They have a big responsibility to cater to. And when it comes to travel vlogging, what you see on screen is not really the reality, because there's a lot that goes behind the branded and the sponsored content, because you have to plan, you have to execute, you have to think about it. Sometimes the schedules are erratic, sometimes you sleep less because you'd have to complete, sometimes you're constantly traveling and you're getting drained. And remember why you quit your job in the first place? Because you didn't want it to get drained, I believe. And coming to number 3 reason, there's a reason why the top creators in India and in abroad at some point of time have faced depression in their life. Why that happens is because financial instability is a very big factor with any kind of content creation. When you start, it takes about 3 to 4 years for you to establish yourself. And if you're in your early 20s or 30s, is still manageable, but if you're in your late 30s and 40s, you'd have a relationship, you have family responsibilities, and then managing the finances with the relationship becomes a huge task. And even though you're traveling the world and showcasing the world with all your gadgets as your backpack, including the drones and the tripods and everything else, which is not how usually people travel, like you won't be traveling with a tripod and the drone and the DSLRs and everything. With everything else, they also have to think about their family, if they're married, if they have kids, etc. So remember why you quit your job to travel? Because you wanted to have a Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara life with fun and frolic and nothing else, no responsibility. But that's not what happens in travel vlogging.